The results of a high-voltage, polarized Hyderabad civic polls will be declared today. The counting of votes will begin in the Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation in an hour from now at 8 a.m. The authorities have designated 30 counting centres where votes will be counted. It's also being learnt that the results will be delayed due to ballot voting done in view of the pandemic. To avoid any discrepancy in results, all vote counts will be done under the surveillance of CCTV. Over 46% polling was recorded in the civic poll elections. In 2016, if you look at the results then, KCR-led TRS won 99 wards out of the 150 wards. Owaisi-led AIMIM won 44 wards. The BJP managed to win only 4 wards. The BJP then went all out because of their win in the Dubaka by-poll. They believe they have a fair chance this time. But what we've seen really in the run-up to this day and in the run-up to polling also is a fierce campaign, be it BJP leaders or the Owaisi brothers. Poll fever was clearly at an all-time high during campaigning, and that too for local polls. Here's a roundup of some of the fierce reactions that came in from leaders in the course of the campaign.
हम हैदराबाद को नवाब निजाम कल्चर से मुक्त होकर एक मिनी इंडिया बने ऐसा शहर बनाने की दिशा में आगे बढ़ेंगे। निजाम कल्चर को त्याग कर एक आधुनिक शहर बने, इस प्रकार का हम हैदराबाद को बनाएंगे।
मित्रों, हम सबको तय करना होगा कि हैदराबाद को भाग्यनगर बना करके फिर से विकास की नई बुलंदियों तक पहुंचाना है। ये हम सबको तय करना है।
ये पुराने शहर की आवाम इस तौहीन का जवाब 1 दिसंबर को देगी और बताएगी कि ये जो सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक की आप बात कर रहे थे ना, हम डेमोक्रेटिक स्ट्राइक करके दिखाएंगे बीजेपी के खिलाफ 1 दिसंबर को इंशाअल्लाह ताला।
सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक जहां तक मेरी जानकारी है शत्रु देश पे किया जाता है, तो पता नहीं यहाँ क्या हो रहा है। बीजेपी के जो यहाँ के लीडर हैं पूरी के पूरी तरह से वो मतलब अपने संतुलन खो चुके हैं और 4 वोटों के लिए 4 सीटों के लिए कुछ भी बोलते हैं, जिससे हैदराबाद की ब्रांड इमेज और हैदराबाद की बिजनेस भी अफेक्ट हो सकती है।
And let me take this across to our reporters on the ground. Ashutosh Mishra is joining us live from the BJP office in Hyderabad. We also have Nagarjun Dwarkanath getting us the latest updates as well from the city. Ashutosh, to you first, good morning. A lot of focus on really how the BJP is going to perform. Last time they managed to win only in 4 wards. Do they hope for a complete turnaround and a win, or are they really looking to fare better than last time, create a presence for themselves?
So, well, there are multiple narratives that people of Hyderabad believes what the BJP intended to do in this election, for particularly this GHMC local election. Good morning, Akshita, and to all our viewers. Here, the BJP office is all set and decorated. Counting staff on every coming out because of the pandemic. Election was held through the ballot paper, and perhaps why the reason the results could be a little delayed. However, the heavy security arrangements have been made, CCTV has been deployed, so there is no discrepancy in the counting. As far as this fight is concerned, the locals believe they have never seen for the municipal election in Hyderabad.
Ashutosh, we're having a bit of a problem with your audio. We'll fix that and come back to you. Do stay on with us. I want to take this across to Nagarjun Dwarkanath, who's also joining us live from Hyderabad. Nagarjun, good morning. A lot of energy, I'm sure, on the ground in Hyderabad right now. It comes down to the next few hours. Yes, the counting of postal ballots could perhaps take some time. So maybe by evening is when we'll get a concrete sense of really which way this election is going.
Well, that's true. Good morning, Akshita. In fact, I spoke to all party leaders yesterday that they are quite hopeful of a win. In fact, BJP leaders are the most hopeful that they say tomorrow, in fact, today is the day that they would hit a jackpot in the election results. They're expecting somewhere around 50 and above is what we are told by the leaders off record when we had a chat with them yesterday. But however, TRS is also quite confident to redo what they did last elections. Around 100 seats was what they believe. But what Congress is hoping is that in Malkajgiri parliamentary constituency, they hope that Revanth Reddy, someone like a working president of this party here, can charm the people there, and maybe at least 20 to 25 is what they're aiming, but it's a three-way battle is what Congress feels. But however, on paper, on ground, it seems like the whole campaign fight was between BJP as well as TRS. So it's a big day for both the parties. If BJP does well in the next few hours, it'll be a big boost to them after the Dubak by-polls that they won recently, and they would be targeting the next 2023 assembly polls here in Telangana.
Absolutely. But Nagarjun, you know, what is the mood really in the BJP camp? Because even as the BJP went all out, and we've never seen this kind of effort for a local poll, you had JP Nadda, Amit Shah, Devendra Fadnavis, all the bigwigs really focusing on Hyderabad, campaigning there. Are they really talking about sweeping this election, about a win, or about creating a presence, about creating a dent, and then focusing on the larger picture, the 2023 election?
Well, that's true. In fact, when I spoke to the leaders here yesterday, what they said is they hoped to form the government and the local body elections, but however, they would be quite happy and settle being the main opposition party and making the presence felt. It all started with the 2019 2019 Lok Sabha polls when they defeated the KCR's daughter Kavita, the sitting chief minister's daughter, lost to BJP candidate in Nizamabad, a Lok Sabha constituency. It all started there, but they're hopeful that if they can form the local body government here, if not, at least the main opposition, so that they can put in questions in the council and they can make sure that their voice is heard. So they're quite hopeful, at least of an opposition bench today.
All right, Nagarjun, thank you for joining us with all those details. Counting starts at 8 a.m. and this remains our top focus through the day. We'll be getting you the latest updates on the results pouring in from Hyderabad.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.